Hello everyone, welcome to part 186 of Ecom series in Laravel 6. And once again, we will continue working on the charts graphs for reporting in admin panel. And this time we are going to do pie chart graph. Okay. So we have done so far bar chart. We have done line chart as well in users. You have seen in last few videos we have worked on these charts, and now we are going to do pie chart. Okay, so once again we will take help from the canvasjs.com, and we'll open the chat demos, and here you can see the pie chart, and this kind of pie chart we are going to integrate in our e-commerce website admin panel. Okay, so this one also called as demographics. Okay, so demographics reporting we are going to do, and this one you can see in Google Analytics. If you use them, you often see such kind of map, such kind of graph. Okay, this kind of graph you used to see. Okay, so we are going to work on such kind of graph this time. Okay, so site seems to be slow here. Yeah, so such kind of graph we are going to do, and I'm going to close this one. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, such kind of graph we are going to do. Okay, so this kind of means pie chart we are going to work on, and so we will start working for users. Now we are going to do users reporting once again, and this time we are going to do users reporting based on their countries. We are going to means in this chart, in this pie chart, we are going to show users from different countries, like from India how many users are there. Like if the users from India are means there are 500 users registered in our website from India, then we are and there are means this is the maximum users registered in our website from India only, like 70%, 80%. So we are going to make this kind of chart, make the proportion here, like maximum proportion is for India, and the second country is from USA. Like from USA, means some 30 40 users have come, and from UK some 10 15 users have come. So we can share such kind of share, means maximum is for India, after that USA, after that UK, after that another country, such kind of thing we are going to do. Okay, so let's start working on this thing, and we will make different page for this one. I'm going to name it like view users countries. Okay, for this one, so let's start working on this one. First of all, we are going to create the route for this, and I will create the route straight away. After view user chart, I'm going to create such kind of route once again, and this time we are going to name it like view users countries chart. Okay, here I am going to make like countries here. Okay, countries chart. So here instead of chart I can show like countries, or you can see countries charts like this. Okay, so view users countries chart, we can name it like this, and I can simply save and go to users controller, where we have already, sorry for that, we have already having that we are already in view user charts, and here we will go, and after this I am going to create the new function. I will give more space so that I can add the function here. Okay, so here I am going to add public function, and new function is function name is view users countries charts. Okay, so that is our function name, and here we are going to work. But first of all, we are going to make this static. We are going to add this static pie chart. Okay, after that we are going to make it dynamic. Users, and after that view underscore users underscore countries underscore charts. Okay, so this one, and I am going to create this blade file in my folder. I'm going to open my folder, XAMPP folder. I'm going to open XAMPP doc sample 6 resources, views, admin, and in users I'm going to create this blade file. I'm going to run the command in Mac. You can simply create in Windows. Very easy to create in Windows, but little complex to create in Mac. I am going to add command here like view user countries chart touch blade.php, so that it will create this file inside users folder. Okay, I'm going to check, see here the file has been created. So I'm going to open this file, view user country chart blade file, and I am going to copy this pie chart that we have opened and going to paste this pie chart there, and we'll see. And I'm going to paste this one here, and now I am going to check that whether the pie chart is coming or not. I am going to make it view users countries chart. Okay, the name that we have given for this page. Okay, so you can see this is the static pie chart and that is coming fine. Okay, so now we are going to make this dynamic. So for making it dynamic, we required a user country count, means how many users registered in our website, and the count of users based on their countries, like from India, if my site is new and 50-60 users are there, means test users are there, and from India there are 30 users, and from USA there are 20 users, from UK there are 10 users, then we are going to display all the users here in pie chart, and the registered users from maximum registered user from some country will have the larger means proportion area in pie chart. Okay, like here it is happening for Google. Okay, so here you can clearly see here, this is the example desktop search engine, means searching how many persons come online and search. See here, almost 80% people comes online and search from Google, and after that from Bing only 7.31, then this one Baidu, I don't know, Yahoo, then others see Yahoo, how less. Okay, so this kind of thing we are going to create for users countries as well. Okay, so let's do this thing. For this thing I am going to update the function view users countries charts function. I'm going to update here. Okay, and here I am going to get users countries, get user countries. Okay, and now I am going to get the user from user model that is related with users table, and I am going to select country, and we are going to use the db query, the raw query here, db. So raw query we can do like this in Laravel, db raw. Then after that I am going to count country as count. I have taken the help from the net from online. Okay, so I'm going to explain you raw country count db raw count, then country as count. Okay, fine. After that we are going to specify here group by, then country once again, and after that get method. I'm going to check where is the issue, and we are going to debug this one. Can't get countries, JSON encode, JSON decode, then JSON encode, then once again dollar get user countries, this one, and after that echo. Okay, so here I'm going to see that what issue is coming. db raw count country. It will do like this. No, it is not correct. Okay, let's see. I think it will give some issue. Yes, as expected. db raw count country. So here count is adding and db raw query is going on as count. Okay, okay, so this is the issue. Here I have started the code, that is the issue. Okay, now it seems to be fine. Now we can save and we'll check out. See here, see empty countries are there. So first of all, we require country for all users. We can't make them empty. Okay, so I'm going to run here query. I'm going to update the users, all users to India. Update users, set country equal to India. Okay, so all the countries have been updated to India. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to update some countries to United States. Okay, like this. States, Mike, also United States. Okay, and Steve also from United States. Okay, so now some users I am going to update from Canada as well. Okay, so I'm going to update the user, some of the users from Canada, and like 2 users I can do from Canada. Okay, so now we can check here. We can see, you can see that from Canada there are 2 users, from India there are 20 users, and from United States there are 3 users count. Okay, so these we are going to this array means we can convert it to array as well. Here after making it true, now it will show in array, you can see. So this array we can return to our blade file, view users countries charts. And one thing we can do that we can show the countries, 5 we can show only 3, 4 or 5 countries, or 6, 7 countries, means starting from the top country whose users are maximum. Okay, then second country whose users, means second last country, like such kind of thing we can do. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to hide this one and we'll send there with compact get user countries. Okay, I'm going to send this one here. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to update this file, same like view user chart. Okay, that we have already created. So I'm going to copy this one and going to uh, paste here. Okay, so here only script is required. That script we can do like this, and this div we can replace with our code. Rest script we can place it here. Okay, so this php script is not required in this one, and this div we can paste here like this is same. Okay, so this part we need to update here, and there we are passing that get user countries count we are passing, so we can update for 3 countries we can update. Okay, uh, so uh, we can check here as well, but we will straight away pass here. Okay, here let's make it dynamic. PHP echo dollar get user countries 0, and after that we are going to send the count. Okay, like this is the 0th element count, and now we are going to show here country. Okay, here we can cut because only 3 countries we are going to show. You can show as many countries as you want, or you can show all as well. Then you require here for each loop if you want to show all the countries. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this, and just need to update here. Okay, so here is some issue we need to see. What issue is coming? Undefined variable data points. We will check there. Here we can check also that what is coming exactly. Here we are missing something. I think this one is required. Yeah, this one is required. We just need to disable this one. And we are going to send once again. It is fine. 0, that one, fine. 2, fine. Then country, fine. 1. All these variables we are using there. 0. So everything seems to be fine, and here we need to check that whether we are passing everything correctly or not, because there seems to be no issue at all. Get user countries use countries chart, and here echo get user countries 0 count, and after that php echo 0, after that country. Don't have any clue that why this issue is coming. We can simply undo and can check once again. See, nothing is working here. We can undo and we'll check that whether the static graph, there is issue with the static graph as well. So it seems that issue not related with the code. In fact, okay, I am going to this one, keep this one in separate file, and we'll undo the code, static one that we have done, this one, and I'm going to open this one. Okay, now I'm going to make changes one by one, and then going to check it out. Okay, so first of all I am going to add the script, this one. I think this one might we have missed something. Yeah, it seems to be missed. We missed some part here, I think. Okay, now show, and here here script, and this one. After that we require this. Okay, and now this layout tags we required, and we require to remove all this, but here still there is some issue. I think issue will not get resolved by this. No, still not resolved. We need to go back. We need to display that chart once again. Sometime it happens, and once again. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to display this dynamically here. I'm going to update data points, and we'll see here data points must not have any issue. Okay, you can see data is coming fine, and you can hide this one as well. Okay, you can check out, like India is having 20 users, United States is 3, and Canada is 2. This chart is fine. Now only thing we need to merge this chart in that, and here also we can give our own test. Here we can write registered users countries count. Okay, and you can check out registered user country count. India is having 20 users, so it is showing maximum proportion in pie chart, and after that United States, and after that Canada. Okay, so it dynamically picking the data from the database. Whenever one more user will come from India, then it will show 21 like this. The only thing, we need to merge this one in our blade file. Okay, so for that I am going to remove this one script. Okay, this is not required, and fine. Now now the thing that we require this one to be added, and this one we can add it here, content, and after that this div content we just require that we can add after this one. Okay, and after this we can add end section at last as well. Okay, so here we can add the end section, and now only thing is this one we are already having, and I'm going to cross this one and we'll add this one here. Okay, now it seems that we have able to do in see here. Now it seems to be fine. Users reporting here, we can write here user countries reporting. Okay, users countries reporting. Okay, is reporting. Okay, so this one is also called demographics, and here we have done dynamically. We are showing the countries from where user belong, and the maximum users comes from India, and it is specifying that it is 20 users comes from India, and from United States 3 users are come, and from Canada 2 users. And every time, like if you will update some more data to United States, then it will show more area. You can see that if you will show, if you make some more, then you can check out that it will show some more area to United States. Okay, I'm going to refresh, and you can see now the larger area belongs to United States, but not even means India still is having the larger proportion. After that United States come, and after that Canada comes. Okay, so this is the thing that we have done in this video. This is the pie chart that we have made, and we have taken help from the canvas.js, and you can also pick any chart from there and can embed in your website like this. You can embed in any website, not only e-commerce website. You can embed in any of your website, and it is very simple, and it will work in any of your server. Sometimes package don't work, but these third party libraries will surely work. Okay, so that's all for now. In next video we will do something else, and till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.